Hello viewers, this is Jeffy's Engineering Company once again. Today we are going to be taking you on full conduit wiring of a single room self-contained. Yeah. Um, um, okay, let's start from here. This is bedside switch. This bedside switch, you can see we have four boxes. These four boxes is one. This one is for AC, air condition. This is for switch, for the bed side switch, and then this is for the water heater in the toilet, and this is a socket. The reason why we have it like this is you may be lying down on your bed and you want to power your phone while chatting or doing one or two things with your phone. So you have your socket here to plug it. Then for the AC, sometimes in the midnight, you discover that the weather will become cold, so you may not be needing the air conditioning. So instead of standing up to go and power the AC off, you just raise your hand above your bed level, and then you off your air conditioner here. Then this is for lighting. So if you want to off your light while lying down the bed, you just use this. Then this is for water heater. Um, for water heater. So this sometimes you may not be fully awake. Then you want your water to be boiling in the bedroom. So you just power it on here with the switch while the water heater will be heating. So let's go to the television side. Um, this is the television side. You see here we have the sockets, outlets. This is for your decoders, and then we have this here for the wall-mounted television. Then we have this pipe. Okay. We have this pipe. So this pipe, the essence of having this pipe is if you have your decoders down, then you can pass the HDMI cords, the AV cords through this pipe. From up here, it will come down and then get connected to the decoders. So it will enable you not to have cables all over the wall here. So everything will be trunked inside the wall and make your room very neat. So this socket here, where you plug your television set, when you mount the television will be covering the socket. So because of that, we have a switch here. We have a switch here. This switch is what will be controlling this socket, the television socket, so that by the time you mount your television on the wall and it covers this whole thing, you now have this switch here to control the socket. Because without offing the socket, power will still be entering into the television set. That is, if you use your remote to power it off, once the socket is not off, if let's assume thunder strikes or something, or let's say the power holding shakes the power supply or the light, it can easily affect your television even when you have offed it with your remote. So because of that, we have this switch here. With this switch, you can control everything that is here. Okay, so let's go to the distribution board. Because we have the distribution board here. This is a D4 single phase distribution board. It has 4 star blocks and the main switch. Now we have this single phase 4 star block because this is just a single room self-contained. That means we have about 5 circuits here. We have 5 circuits here, which is one for the AC, because the AC goes directly from the distribution board. Then the second one is the water heater. The water heater goes direct to the distribution board. Then the third one here is the kitchen socket. The kitchen socket goes direct to the distribution board because of the power of the kitchen appliances. Then this one is for lightning. The fourth is for lightning, while the other one that is remaining is for the sockets inside the room. So look at this connection here. This is where the power supply cable lands. The power supply cable lands here. Then from here, it will feed the distribution board. Then from the distribution board, this one will now feed the house. So